everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm gonna make mini quick and easy Franjipan tarts. I used ready-made puff pastry, so it's super easy and super delicious. As usual, the written recipe and the complete measurements will be listed down below the video in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now for the filling, I'm gonna need some almonds. I also have some granulated sugar, an egg. I also have some butter, vanilla extract, and some almond extract. Now you can replace the almond extract with some orange zest or lemon zest. All work great. Now in a food processor, I'm gonna place the almonds and I'm gonna process them until they're very fine. So as you can see here, that's the texture that I want, so that's perfect. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So I have the egg, the butter, the sugar, and both extracts. Now be very careful with the almond extract because it may be overpowering, so just a tiny bit does the job. Now all you have to do is to blend everything together until you have a creamy texture, just like so. Pour the mixture into a bowl or a measuring cup just like I did, and then place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes until it hardens a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the fruits. Here I have some apples. You can use pears or peaches if you like. It's up to you. So as you saw here, I added some sugar and some lemon juice to the apples so they don't turn brown. I'm just gonna mix everything together until the sugar and the lemon juice are well distributed and set them aside. Now for the dough, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using puff pastry. It's store-bought. Mine comes rolled out already, so I'm just gonna cut it into 6 equal parts or 6 equal rectangles, just like so. Then I'm gonna place my rectangles in a non-stick cooking sheet or baking sheet. And now simply I'm just gonna distribute the filling onto my puff pastry rectangles. I put about 1 tablespoon of the filling and I'm just spreading it evenly, just like so. Then I'm just laying the apples all in the same way, all in the same direction, as you can see here, just because it looks nice. Also, I kept the skin. I think it's more beautiful like that. Now at this point, make sure that your oven is preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 220 Celsius. And I'm gonna bake them for about 15 minutes. But before that, I'm gonna do a final step, and that's totally optional. I'm just sprinkling some chopped almonds on the top. They get toasted and crunchy. They will be really good. So now in the oven they go for about 15 minutes. And this is how they look like when they're out of the oven. And as soon as you get them out of the oven, sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. That just makes them really beautiful and gives them some extra sweetness. The tarts were really good. The apples were softened a little bit and the almond filling was super delicious. Be careful with the almond extract, as I said, and also you can substitute it with some lemon zest or orange zest, but that was super good. So my lovelies, that was it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Give this recipe a try and tell me what you think. And finally, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Bye!